I can vouch that I've done my laundry through the laundrettes that are here, and it's about $7.50
to do a load of laundry.
To do a load of laundry
and do the work yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
$3 for the washing machine, $3 for the dryer, and then $1.50 for the soap.
And so when you do that, do you use your sale and sign card, or do you need cash?
No, you use your sale and sign card. You enter, you put your clothes into the washing machine. Each machine has a number on it, and there's a device behind it. And you just plug your card in, it asks you for the machine number. You hit the machine number, it'll tell you, okay, you're being charged $3. Hit enter, and it automatically starts up.
Is it a full-size full-size washer?
It is a full-size regular house washer, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
house? It's not a commercials?
No, it's not one of the big ones. It's like just a regular...
Like if you were to go to the laundromat back home.
No, I would say it's smaller than that.
Would you say smaller than that?
Yeah.
Well, I'd say it's just like a regular household.
Yeah, regular household. Yeah.
Like an old one, though. But not like a Samsung or anything like that, but an old,
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting.
It's good. It takes about half an hour to wash, half an hour or 45 minutes to dry, and it's good.
That's not bad, actually.
They should allow the Platinum users to still have that credit, but allow them to go to the laundrette and do it themselves.
That's an interesting idea. I mean, it's more work, so it's not as good a service, but I guess it's immediate. So
it's immediate, and it's not work that they have to do. So you should allow the option of you get it done, do it. You get someone else to do it for you. They can do the washing, fold, and storage, and all that sort of stuff. Or you get the same amount of credit, but using the laundry service yourself.
Yeah. That's not a bad idea. Yeah. It's a good suggestion. Carnival, if you're listening, it's a thought. Might not be hard for you to do. And I also like the fact that the self-service nature of that.